The way that I cleanse my hair is I use this, and what I love about this is that I sort of feel like it's one day dirty all the time. So it never gets big and fluffy, and it's always kind of movable and touchable and kind of piecey and sort of cool that way. It's a little extra dry outside, and I'm a little extra dry. I'm probably a little bit dehydrated. And I'm growing my hair out, and it is bleached. I'm gonna use this. This is Hair Balm, and what it is, I like to describe it as like a hand lotion for your hair. So when I rub it in, it kind of gets creamy. It's made by the same brand as this, which is Hair Story Studio. It doesn't have any synthetic fragrances or chemicals that I feel really, really sensitive to. So I just went into my hands. I'm so dehydrated that my product just went into my hands. It also creates those little petals that I often talk about, and a little tiny, teeny bit of shine, but not much. It's more like a satin finish. And then I can kind of scrunch it, and suddenly my hair is doing something kind of fun. And so it has a little bit of hold, but not really. But a little, definitely when you put it on dry hair.